All right, let's go with episode 3 of Chalkboard Trucking. We're going to talk about truck parking. This is a big issue. Truck parking is not an issue. It shouldn't be an issue. There's no problem with truck parking. It's just people don't utilize empty areas the way they should be. So you got truck parking. For one, all your prima donnas that are out there have to have a shower every day, have to bathe your feet in the sink, and have food ready at the hand and coffee and everything else. Those are luxuries on the road. They are luxuries. Yes, there was a time when we drove through Texas and New Mexico and Arizona, and we did not have any of those luxuries. We had to find the nearest place we could park, and we didn't have those amenities, showering, running water, and stuff like that. This is what states could do, and they could save a ton of money. This is I-80 in Nebraska. This is exit, I believe it's 99 or 100 out in Big Springs. And what they've got is, it's just an exit. You come down, you come around, and there's this big empty dirt lot right there that you can park in. That's how they do it. And that's your truck parking. There's no, I think there's trash bins, and I don't know if they put porta potties out there yet, but they should. That's all the state has to do. They gotta take these empty spaces that are on these exit ramps and make them into truck parking. That way, you can, but if you're a prima donna and you gotta have your shower and your running water and everything else, you're not gonna park there. But that is how you solve the truck parking situation. It's easy, it's accessible, it's perfect for any traveler. You run through New York, Connecticut, Vermont, Massachusetts, even the New England states, all the way out to California. California has plenty of land in between their exit ramps to just grade these out. Even if they're dirt, you grade them out, put some trash bins in there, and put some porta potties, and you've got 100 spots right there. But there is no shortage of truck parking. You got to know where to go, and for these states to say that it's economically infeasible, it is economically feasible. You just empty out a parking lot. That's it. That's all you need is a dirt lot. That's it. Cows piss on the ground all the time. So why can't we piss on the ground? That's fine. You piss in the dirt. You gotta take a number 2. You put the porta potty out there, whatever. It's cold. Deal with it. I don't care what goes on. You ain't got no running water, but you do have parking. And if they would do that all over these states, we would have plenty of truck parking. Easy to get in, easy to get out. As long as all these morons can keep it conformed rather than just parking anywhere, that's plenty of parking all across the country. Missouri, Kansas, all the way down to Florida, Louisiana, up to Massachusetts, Maine, out to California, Washington. That's all you got to do. So Sean Duffy, you want to fix the truck parking situation? There's your solution right there. And I'll put a picture of Big Springs, Nebraska up here so that everybody can, understand how that works.